Did your child's meltdown ruin your plans or evening? Stay with me. I'll give you a step-by-step, evidence-based plan, exact words, exact actions, and a printable parent crisis card. Welcome. I'm Fatima, a child and adolescent psychologist. I work with kids and teens to help parents manage challenging behaviors, build emotional skills, and keep the family calm and connected. Remember, your child's anger is a signal, not a personal attack. They might be tired, hungry, overwhelmed, or scared. Right now, the goal is safety and staying calm together. Teaching comes after everyone is calm. Parent Protocol Overview, A to F. A. Calm yourself. Stop what you're doing, plant your feet. 3 slow breaths. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 1 second. Exhale 6 seconds. Repeat mentally. I am here. I will keep them safe. Quiet, steady voice. B. Safety first. First, make sure everyone's safe. Quickly remove anything breakable or sharp and move siblings or pets out of the way. If you need to, give a short, calm instruction. Something like, hands down, feet on the floor. Only use a gentle protective hold if it's necessary to stop harm. And speak calmly and firmly. I won't let anyone get hurt. You can be angry, but hitting is not allowed. C. 2 short phrases. During a meltdown, stick to just 2 short phrases. Don't lecture. Keep it simple. Phrase 1, focus on safety and limits, about 10 to 15 words. For example, I see you're angry. Hitting is not allowed. Then pause 5 to 10 seconds and take a breath. Let it sink in. Phrase 2, offer a calm option or co-regulation, again 10 to 15 words. For example, you can sit with me until you calm down. That's it. Keep your tone calm and steady. D. Co-regulation and calm tools. Before we dive into the co-regulation tools, if this tip so far is helpful, hit the like button. This lets us know to create more evidence-based parenting strategies just for you. All right, back to the video. Sit down so you're at your child's level and keep your voice soft and calm. Take 2 to 3 breaths together. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3. You can offer a gentle hand on their shoulder only if they want it. If your child doesn't want any contact, set a visible timer for a few minutes and just stay quietly present, letting them calm while knowing you're there. E. Repair and teach. Just after calm. Okay, parents, once everyone is calm, start with a short, genuine apology. You can say something like, I'm sorry I raised my voice earlier. I want to help you when you're upset. Next, validate your child's feelings, but not the harmful behavior. Say it like this. It's okay to feel angry, but hitting is not allowed. Now, move into a short teaching session, just 5 to 8 minutes. First, name the trigger together. Ask your child, what happened? Then name the feeling. For example, you felt frustrated when... Next, brainstorm 2 replacement responses and let your child pick one. For example, squeeze a ball or take 3 deep breaths. After that, role-play 1 short scenario together so your child can practice. Finally, agree on a simple plan for next time. Write it down or stick it on the fridge so everyone knows what to do when strong feelings come up. F. Daily and weekly practice, so skills stick. Parents, now that we've addressed the meltdown and practiced repair and teaching, the next step is consistent practice. This is what really helps these skills stick and become natural for your child. Start with a daily 5-minute emotional drill. In the morning, spend 1 minute on a simple breathing exercise. You can say, today we'll practice blowing out 3 candles, and guide your child to take 3 slow, mindful breaths. In the afternoon, dedicate 2 minutes to the Calm Toolkit. Pick an item together, like a squeeze ball or a glitter jar, and practice using it. Make it playful and engaging so your child learns the routine naturally. In the evening, spend 2 minutes on a quick reflection. Ask your child to name 1 challenging feeling they had today and 1 calm strategy they used. Celebrate their effort and participation. Also, Have a weekly family check-in for about 10 minutes. Discuss what strategies worked, what didn't, and which approaches should continue. Celebrate small wins, like practicing a skill or staying calm, rather than avoiding upset moments. Remember, regular practice builds muscle memory. Over time, your child will automatically use these strategies when emotions run high, helping them regulate their feelings with confidence, and helping you feel prepared, calm, and supported too. Calm Toolkit. Age-specific items. Let's talk about the Calm Toolkit. Simple, age-appropriate tools your child can use to calm down. For toddlers, 2 to 4 years, a glitter jar, a favorite stuffed animal, or a short blow-the-candle song works wonders. For school-age kids, 5 to 10 years, a squeeze ball, a small checklist with 3 calming options, or a sensory item like a chewy toy or fidget. For tweens and teens, 11 to 17 years, a private space, noise-canceling headphones, a phone checklist with calming prompts, or an agreement that they can text you when they're calm. Discipline that teaches, setting boundaries. All right, let's talk about discipline that actually teaches, not just punishes. Keep consequences short, logical, and immediate. For example, if your child throws a toy, you take it away for a short, clear period. That's it. Praise the skill, not the personality. You could say, "I noticed you used your breathing when you were upset. That was great." Use planned ignoring for small attention-seeking behaviors, but only when it's safe to do so. And remember, time in versus time out. Pick the one you can deliver calmly and consistently. The goal is always teaching, not escalating the situation. Severe or frequent aggression. If your child's aggression is frequent or severe, here's what to do. First, document everything. Note how often it happens, what triggers it, and how severe it is. Keep a simple log. Next, use a consistent parent response. Make sure every caregiver, whether it's mom, dad, or anyone else, follows the same steps. This consistency helps your child feel safe and know what to expect. Talk to your pediatrician or seek evidence-based parent training if needed. And if there's immediate danger, don't hesitate. Call emergency services right away. Parent Crisis Card. Keep a parent crisis card handy. You can screenshot it on your phone or print it out. This card has all the steps you need during a meltdown. For example, Step 1. Breathe 3 times. Inhale, hold, exhale. Step 2. Make sure everyone is safe. Step 3. Say phrase 1 for safety and limits, like, "I see you're angry." Hitting is not allowed. Step 4. Wait a few seconds, then say phrase 2 for calm options, like, "You can sit with me until you calm down," or "Go to your calm corner." Step 5. If it's safe, co-regulate by sitting with them and taking breaths together. Step 6. After calm, repair, validate. Teach 2 replacement strategies and role-play 1 scenario. Remember, if aggression is severe or dangerous, seek help immediately. And here's the fun part. Make it yours. Feel free to use your own words, expressions, or cultural phrases that feel natural to your family. Your style, your voice, your creativity, that's what makes this protocol stick. Remember, you are an amazing parent for taking the time to watch this video. For more practical tips, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon!